and welcome to this first episode of the series. I am Dr. Janey, and I very much look forward to connecting with you and with your pets over the weeks ahead and answering some of the questions you may have about your pets, and also delving into some of the many health crises that so many pets are facing in the current times. And the emphasis of this series will be predominantly that of a natural and holistic approach to solving these health challenges. And our approach is to ask the question, what is the cause here? Identify that, reverse that, and crucially also always work in harmony with the inner wisdom of your pet's body, rather than working against that, as is so often the case if we resort simply to quick fix pharmaceuticals that may simply mask the symptoms. Now, a little about myself before I go any further. I was in small animal private practice for over 22 years. Much of that time was spent in London and the UK, and some of that time also in practicing in South Africa. And in that time of just over 20 years, I was witness to a quite extraordinary increase in incidence in chronic degenerative diseases. Now, one example of those is of course cancer. And I recall in the days as a young vet, I would seldom see a cancer patient walking through the door, perhaps one in a month. And at the end of 20 years on, I was seeing 4 to 6 cancer patients walk through the door every single day. So really quite a staggering increase in incidence. And this was by no means limited just to cancer. We saw a startling increase in incidence of many chronic inflammatory type diseases, the chronic skin diseases, chronic gastrointestinal diseases, autoimmune diseases, diabetes. I include obesity amongst that. And when you look a bit closer at all of these chronic degenerative diseases, there is this common denominator, and that is the lifestyle factor. Invariably, there is a correlation with how lifestyle has impacted on these diseases. Now, the good news about lifestyle is that this is something we can change. And when we refer to lifestyle, this can range from the diets that our pets are consuming to the levels of stress that they are experiencing. Just as their owners may experience stress, so too do the animals. The levels of exercise that they may enjoy. The exposure to toxins in the environment has also altered quite considerably over this time, and has also impacted on these chronic diseases. And so over the weeks ahead, we're going to be looking at all of these factors and discussing how they are impacting on these various diseases, and then share advice as to how we can minimize or eliminate these factors, these negative lifestyle factors, and in doing so bring about real and long-term solutions in your pet's health, as opposed to simply masking symptoms or and bringing about short-term results. So we're after real and sustainable results, and so again, we're going to be always looking at the cause and uncovering that, and then resolving that, and in doing so bringing about real and sustainable health changes for your pet. So I hope you look forward to that. Again, I welcome your questions, and I look forward to sharing this journey with you, and to uncovering many of the myths that abound in the modern times, and in doing so, I trust that it will benefit both you and those beloved furry friends that live with you. So until next Tuesday, I hope you have an amazing week, and I look forward to connecting with you again then. Goodbye for now.